It's causing wrinkling. We are looking much more old. We are looking very pale, frail because of that. And the
In fact,
different
if
kinds
we
of drugs.
compare the photo of before drugs and after drugs, it will be exactly
Exactly.
30 plus years elder we look after using the drugs. I saw a few pictures.
If
So
you've
we
seen people who actually take
carry.
hard drugs, they actually look very pale, sallow.
Hmm.
They are all thin and bones. That is how they look. So people who are very aesthetically, who want to be good looking and all, they need to know that this has very adverse effect. It's also causing hair loss. Be it a male or female, because of nutritional deficiencies, there's hair thinning, there is hair loss. Hair is becoming more and more brittle because of it. And also a very adverse effect, I think, which can catch attention of a lot of adolescents and teenagers. It causes adverse effects on your reproduction as well, because of this, what is happening is there can be decrease in sperm count. Sperm quality gets disturbed because of it. Also, sperm motility is decreased. That is why we also see that there's a lot of IVF cases increasing nowadays. One of the causes could also be because of increasing use amongst females as well. In like increasing females are also like using more of smoking, vaping, and all of that. It's become a cultural trend. So because of that, all this is actually causing adverse effects on our body in various, like in all the domains, from
Yeah.
top to bottom.
So obviously the IVF may fail 100%.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So, but we do not think about all this. We do not think about the percussions before using it.
Yeah.
So that is what happens. And we need to know, like, where is how much can be the legal use and what can be the misuse. There needs to be a transition between that, but people are very unaware about that. And
Hmm.
usually it goes to a very misuse or an addictive side, which then is very detrimental to our health.
Yeah. And